Hi everybody. Today we will discuss about thoughts, the root of character. It is an important tool to program our mind. Let us see how can we change our life at our wish right now from this moment by continuous monitoring of our thoughts. Thoughts turn into speech and action. Repeated actions form a habit, and multiple habits construct our character. Character becomes the identity of a person. Let us give some time and think upon the role of our every thought in building our character at present. We are liberal for our thoughts. A numerous thoughts appear in our mind incessantly throughout the day and night, but we do not bother them at all. We think of meditation, talk of meditation, and even spend some time for meditation. But in the rest of the day, we may not have any check on the flow of our thoughts. We have security guards at the entrance of our house, but not at the entrance of our mind. We do not permit any unknown or unwanted person to enter into our house, but we entertain and pamper any unwanted thought in our mind. We have clear list of the persons to have entry in our house, but for thoughts we are polite and liberal. Till now we have observed that we are liberal for our thoughts. Now let us see the importance of a single thought. We all would have experienced so many times that our subconscious mind picks up every thought throughout the day and reflects them in our dream at night. Every thought is being recorded and leaves a permanent impression on our mind stuff. These thoughts, when get multiplied, forces us to put them in action. Now, let us take an example to understand this. Suppose if we think that a person has insulted us, and we will keep on thinking on the same thing throughout the day. Now, the heap of thoughts will force us to put them in speech and share the incidents with our friends and loved ones. Now, the heap of thoughts have become explosive and ready to blast any moment. The moment the person repeats the same, our thoughts will force us to put them in action and explode with anger. Till now, we have seen the importance of a single thought. Now, let us see how can we draw a line between useful and useless thoughts intellectually. We will have to be very careful and intellectual while drawing a line between positive and negative thoughts. When our mind is won and controlled by the senses, intellect becomes helpless. Suppose, for example, if we have any kind of addiction or a habit to find faults from others, we will not be able to leave that till we keep on justifying them with improper reasoning and allow them to enter into our mind. We will have to come out of the banks of the senses with all our strength and power and think intellectually Then and then only we will be able to draw a clear line between the useful and the useless thoughts to enter into our mind. Till now, we have seen that we are liberal for our thoughts. Importance of a single thought captured in our mind stuff, and how to draw a clear line intellectually between the useful and the useless thoughts. Now we will see how can we change our life and take an immediate U-turn at our wish. Once we have become capable of drawing a line between the desired and undesired thoughts, we'll have to keep a close watch on each and every thought. We will have to enhance the security at the entrance of our mind and do a strict screening of each and every thought every moment. In this way, we can program our mind by the use of each and every thought, which will turn into action, and repeated actions will form a habit, and the multiple habits will give a new dimension to our character and a desired direction to our life. Then we will be able to take a U turn in our life at any moment at our will, and not a single person or a condition will be able to stop us from bringing a desired great change in our own character. I wish the brainstorming on this topic can bring a great desired change in our life right now, and we take a U turn to a very peaceful and happy life. Thank you.